Assalamualaikum, selamat datang. Nama saya Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Azwan.
Nama saya Tashwin Nair, DN22060. So we are going to look about motion sequence diagram, case study 1. So here our address is address for input and output. So our input is address 0.05 and 0.06, which we put the comment as a start and stop. So our start is 0.05 and our stop is 0.06, and our output is 100.00 and 100.01 is goes to motor and lamp. So the comment was the motor forward is 100.00 and 100.01 is for our VA. So here our MSD. So the input start when input is start, the IR1 is energized and the motor forward green lamp will be turned on. Okay, now we're going to explain about ladder diagram case study 1. Here's our ladder diagram. So as you can see, the input and output was start and stop 0.05 and stop here 0.06, and our output here was 10.01 for IR1. So IR1 will be the latching head, first rung, and after that IR1 is connected to 100.00 motor forward and 100.01 for our VB. VB is our lamp. So when we push button and start, the IR will be energized and the motor forward and the lamp will be on. This is our ladder diagram. Next we are going to see about the demonstration video. Okay, sekarang kita tekan start button. Start dia. So IR1 dia akan energize. Dengan energize, lepas tu motor forward dia akan berjalan dengan lampu dia green dia akan menyala. So ini dia start button dah energize, green lamp akan menyala dan mixer dia.
So this is the motion diagram for case study 2 and also the input and output for this feature. When we press the start button, the motor forward will energize and green lamp will energize. Also will trigger the timer 1 for 5 seconds. And the contact timer 1 will energize and will de-energize motor forward to off and green lamp off. And at the same time, it will also trigger the timer 2 for 3 seconds. The contact timer 2 will make sure the motor reverse start and then the yellow lamp is on. When we press the stop button, motor reverse will off and yellow lamp is also will off. At the same time, when we press again the start button, the motor forward and green lamp will on and yes again, and same the sequence also. When we press the start button, the IR1 will energize and IR1 will latch to make sure the IR1 still energized. And for the second rung, the motor when the IR1 is energized, motor forward will energize, the green lamp energize, and also the timer 1 will energize. And the third rung, when the contact timer is energized, the IR2 will energize. Based on the previous video, when the IR2 is energized, it will trigger the timer 2 to energize for 3 seconds. When the contact timer 2 is energized, it will de-energize the motor forward and energize the motor reverse and also the yellow lamp. As we can see the HMI stop. When we press the HMI stop at the PC, at the computer laptop, it will also trigger to make sure the circuit stop immediately.
Case study 2, sequence dia akan tekan start button and then motor akan move forward, lampu hijau akan menyala untuk 5 saat. Setelah tu motor akan berhenti selama 20-30 saat and then motor akan bergerak secara reverse and then lampu juga akan menyala kuning. So bila tekan stop button, semua sistem akan berhenti.